Namaste and welcome. Welcome to today's practice where we'll be doing a full body gentle practice, a practice that anyone and everyone can do. And this one is going to help you activate and enter into that parasympathetic nervous system, a nervous system that is helping you rest and digest, something that you want right now in this busy chaos life where you're constantly thinking about all the work that you're surrounded with. Your mind needs that little rest, and this is your way to get that rest. So let's get started in a comfortable position. Relax your shoulders, relax your chest. Don't try to achieve anything today's practice. Just try to be and feel. With your eyes closed, let this practice become about what you're feeling rather than what you're looking like. Let's tune inwards and see what we're feeling with our breath today. Allow your breath to be in its natural state. No alteration, no changes. Noticing it and accepting it in the way it naturally is. Bring both your hands on your chest. Place your palms on your chest. And as you stay here, bow down your head and just take this time to go inwards with yourself. Take this time to just be where you are exactly. And allow this practice to help you feel safe and calm. I encourage you to have a simple intention for yourself. Once you have that intention clear, keep your eyes closed, lift up your head, relax your palms. Let's just gently roll our neck, slow clockwise. And reverse the direction. Take your time while you do this neck rotation to see what pace you want to be in. Not my pace, but yours. Choose your pace and just breathe through this neck rotation. Center. You will walk your right hand on the right side and drop your elbows down. Relax it, soften your head, soften your eyes. It's okay if the elbow doesn't touch the floor, just softly bend it. Shoulders and ribs relax and breathe into the side length of your body. Let's try to follow a breathing pattern from now. We switch into breathing 4 counts of inhalation and 4 counts of exhalation. So consciously remind yourself of this breathing pattern, and whenever you feel a little lost, come back to this. Okay? Inhaling for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 4, 3. Keep going. 2, 1. Count for yourself. Slowly coming back up and change sides. Keep that breath continuous. 4 counts of inhalation and 4 counts of exhalation. Relax everything that is not in use. Relax your hips, relax your thighs, relax your jaw, relax your shoulders. Slowly coming back to center, walk your hands to the front. Relax your elbows, relax your head. Slowly find your way back up. Let's come into all fours. Get your shoulders and wrist in one line, knees and hips in one line. We'll go for gentle cat and cow. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Exhale, coordinate your movement with your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Center. Slowly walk your hands slightly front and sink your chest down into the heart melting posture. Same breathing pattern. Slowly lift up your head, walk your hands back into all fours. Take your right arm up from the side and open your chest. Stack it up in one line. Breathe. Slowly take this right arm and thread it under and drop your right shoulder down. Relax your right ear on the floor. Relax your left arm ahead. Relax that left elbow and breathe. Maybe you want to shift the weight slightly forward. See what feels more comfortable for you. And breathe through this. Same breathing pattern. You can choose to take your left palm behind your back and grab your right thigh. Slowly release the palms and find yourself back into all fours. Take your left palm up from the side and breathe. Slowly thread this arm under, bend that right elbow, and listen from your left ear. Take your time, relax that right elbow and breathe. You can take your right arm behind your back if you like, or continue to stay wherever you were. Slowly relax and come back to all fours. From here, bring your right knee between your palms, left knee slightly back. Keep the heel under your hip and just lengthen that spine and relax your chin. From here, slowly drop your right hip on the outside. Open that leg, face on your back. Take your left arm on your left toe, or you can drop the elbow behind. Right arm from up. Slowly coming back up. Return from where you entered and push back to all fours. Let's go for the left leg. Left leg forward. Relax that chin. Lengthen that spine. Breathe. Slowly drop your hip on the left. Open that knee. Choose the arm position either on the elbow or straight, and just relax your body. Slowly come back up. Get your legs in butterfly legs. Just allow your body to feel comfortable here. No holding a structure. So round your back, sink yourself and let your body slop down. Slouch into this. Slowly come back up. Let's lie down on the spine. Bring your both knee to your chest and give it a nice hug. Very gently massage it left to right. Drop your both hands on the side, knees in center. Keeping the knees closer to your chest, drop it on the right side. Look over the left and breathe. Relax everything that is not in use. Relax the toes, the fingertips, both the shoulders. Bring the knees to chest and chain sides. Relax everything that is not in use and let your body feel that breath. Slowly bring the knees to chest. Give it a nice hug. Gently relax your legs and body back into the floor. Palms facing up. Shoulders relax. Make any adjustments that you like right now. And just find yourself in complete settlement here. Complete relaxation. Gently bring yourself back into this present. Softly move your fingertips. Softly move your toes. Take your time with your eyes closed. Slowly stretch your arms above your head and give yourself a nice yawn stretch out. Turn towards your side. Keep the eyes closed and find your way coming up to seat. Just staying there, sitting with yourself, thanking this body, thanking this healthy, positive mind, thanking yourself and this beautiful energy that we are surrounded with. Wrap your arms around yourself and give yourself one nice hug. Join your palms. Thank that intention that you had for yourself. Thank that breath that you coordinated and synchronize every time in this practice as much as you could. Just relax your body, relax your hands, and take your time to slowly come back to this present. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Have a good day.